Hi friends, today we're going to talk about base words and the endings s and es when it comes to plural nouns, okay? So we're going to make a booklet with this so that it's nice and well organized for you guys to reference while we're talking about it. So get a piece of paper and just fold it one time in half horizontally to make a book, okay? And then you're going to write base words and endings on your front. So base words and endings. Say S and ES, and then in parentheses I want you to put plurals because sometimes you use these endings with noun or verbs, right? If you're doing something, but we're talking about plurals. All right. So base words and endings, S and ES, and plurals. All right, and then you're going to open up to our first page. All right, so let's talk about base words and the ending S. This is what you're going to use for most words. So base words, S. Okay, so this is the most common. So pretty much any noun you can think of for the most part is going to be just adding the S to the end to make it plural, make it more than one. Because remember, singular noun is just one, and a plural noun is anything two or more, anything more than one, right? So for example, you can think of the word cab. You would add an S. So make it cabs. The word chick, thinking of kind of our farm theme. So let's just think of some base words. So chick, cab, chick, hike, grape. These are all single nouns right now, singular nouns. Thumb. Brick. All right, and so with these, cab become cabs, chick becomes chicks, hike becomes hikes, grapes, thumbs, bricks. And something to note is that these words that you add S are typically one syllable when you say them. So like cabs, chicks, hikes. So typically, and that means not always, but most of the time, typically are one syllable when you say them, okay? So now let's talk about base words with some exceptions, with the ES, right? So you have base words with ES. Now, just like the last time we kind of talked about S and ES, there are special letters that you need to recognize to use, so you know you have to use ES. For example, and there's letters and letter blends. Some digraphs. So we have CH, TCH, excuse me, TCH. So CH, TCH, SH, SS, Z, X, and just an S by itself as well. So if you see any of these letters, I'll make this a little more clear for you. TCH. If you see any of these letters or digraphs or letter blends, you know that it's going to need to be an ES. Okay, so let's see what that looks like. So let's think of some words that end with these letters. So we have beach, mess, mix, dress, dash, box, buzz. Okay, so these are some examples. So when you read these, you're going to add EH because you can see the CH or ES. You're going to add ES, excuse me. So if you see the CH, you're going to know to add ES. See the S or the SS, ES, X, ES, SS, ES, SH, ES, X, ES, Z or ZZ, ES. Okay, and these words are typically two syllables. So our other ones are typically 1 syllable. These are typically 2 syllables. Okay, so for example, beaches, messes, mixes, dresses, dashes, boxes, buzzes. So those were 2 syllables. So you have cabs, 1 syllable, beaches, 2 syllables. Okay, so again, this is one of those things that in order to make a plural, you really just have to know to recognize these letters to look out to add the ES. So in order to make a word plural, you're either going to add the word S or ES with these base words, and of course there's always exceptions, which we've talked about in the past. This is our focus for this story. All right, as always, work hard, do your best, and have a great rest of your day.